So starting with waveforms of a buck converter. So we are having two operations, DTS mode and 1 minus DTS mode. Okay, so in DTS mode what was there? Switch 1 was on, switch 1 was on. So according to, we have already done that, so according to loop we are having VL equals to VI minus V naught. So this is VI minus V naught. In 1 minus DTS operation, switch 1 was off, switch 2 was on, so we are having VL equals to minus V naught. So this is minus V naught, this is VI minus V naught, again this is minus V naught. This goes like this. And we are having inductor current. We know that inductor current slope was increasing in the first mode, DTS mode, when switch 1 was on, with slope VI minus V naught divided by L. So this is minus VI minus V naught divided by L slope. This is increasing, some minimum values there, some max values there. Then in switch S2, which is 1 minus D into TS mode, the inductor current was decreasing, inductor was discharging itself with slope minus V naught by L, negative slope. So this goes like that. Now what about the capacitor current? The capacitor current is increasing from some minimum value, that is negative, from minus VI minus V naught divided by L to minus V naught by L. Now switch S1 current. Switch S1 current is the IL current which is flowing. So this is S1 current when switch S1 was on. When switch S2 is on, then switch S1 current will be equals to 0. Now switch S2 current, when switch S1 is on, switch S2 current will be equals to 0, but switch S2 is on, then this current, switch S2 current is equals to IL, which is equals to this IL, hence IL current, again 0, then IL current. Now we switch S1, switch S1 is equals to VI, because switch S1 is on, then switch VS1 will be equals to 0 because it is short circuited, which is S2 is on, then it is equals to VI, 0 VI. In the same manner, when switch S2 is, when switch S1 is on, then VS2 is VI, that already we had done, and when switch S2 is on, then it is short circuited, then VS2 is equals to 0, 0, 1. So it goes like that. These are the waveforms for buck converter. So we end up with this.